Hello everyone and welcome to another live from the workshop. So I have decided that I'm going to give a go on something that I've sort of avoided, but I felt like it would be a good idea to do and it'd be something nice to try. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an 11th Doctor custom, but I'm going to do him as he was seen in Hyde. Now, this essentially means just a very basic, simple repaint of the waistcoat pieces, really, more than anything else. Nothing else needs to be done. So, the bow tie is going to be a slightly lighter shade of burgundy red. The waistcoat is going to be a lighter grey. And the shirt is actually going to be a much sort of lighter grey blue. It's a very, very simple repaint to do, but I thought it would make a nice, simple custom, something that I can do a little bit different, so let's get on with it. And there is my finished Hyde 11th Doctor. Really simple repaint to do. I'm really pleased with the way it's come out. I think it really does make a difference just having a slight dash of colour. It's a great idea for them to do. It's just very simple variations. You know, we saw it in the 375 range, so why they couldn't do it in the 5-inch range, especially if they're releasing this figure as part of the collector's edition. You know, bit of diversity to the Time of the Doctor set. You know, Hyde set could be very well done. You know, you could have some small accessories. You could have a Doctor's camera. Maybe the disc thing, and again, very much so that you could redo this with the shirt that doesn't have the bow tie, because obviously in the episode, you know, he loses his bow tie. So even if you just repainted the shirt, you could swap it over so you had him without it. You know, it would work very well. But as I said, you know, very nice, very simple custom to do. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, favourite, subscribe, share. It really helps me out a lot. And I shall see you all with another video very soon.